If you are watching this video, it means you are thinking about starting your own business in the security systems industry. You probably already have experience in this field and want to create something of your own. But to build a successful business, you need to choose the right niche. At Pipl Systems, we not only review equipment, but also interview business owners in security industry, like manufacturers, distributors, installers, even monitoring companies. And we see one common thing. Successful companies always know their niche. They focus on one area and become the best in it. So in this video I will explain why choosing a niche is important and the most popular niches in security systems and how to find the best niche for you. So, part number one, why is choosing a niche important? So, because you become expert. When you focus on one thing, you understand your clients better, and clients want to work with experts, so with you. And also you attract the right clients. Example, if you specialize in home security systems, you will attract homeowners. You won't waste time on projects that are too complex for your focus. And again, your business becomes easier to manage. When you focus on one niche, your business processes are simple and clear. Example, a company specializing in home video surveillance knows what homeowners needs. They save time and money of focusing only on this market. Part number two, popular niches in the security systems industry. And we will start from installing security systems. So it's about installing cameras, alarms, intercom systems, access control systems, and maybe smart locks. So it's popular because more homes and businesses are using security systems everywhere. And what advantages I see? It's high demand. Also, you can offer maintenance services later. But you need to understand that you need skilled installers, and there is a lot of competitors. So next niche is selling equipment and materials. And what is this? It's like selling cameras, alarms, access control systems, smart locks, equipment, but also cables, some tools. It's anything what like value for installers and integrators. And your clients are often professionals, so specialists who needs fast delivery and good technical support. So success depends on having a reliable supply chain and trained staff. And my advice, if you choose this niche of like selling products, invest in technical support. Installers will trust you if your team can help them choose the right equipment and solve their problems. So next niche is monitoring services. In this business you need to offer 24/7 monitoring of cameras, alarms, sensors for homes and businesses. And the advantages which I see is monthly subscriptions bring steady income and businesses value the service highly. Challenges which I see, so it requires expensive, super expensive equipment for monitoring and staff training. You must follow strict licensing rules. Next niche is maintenance and support. Specific niche is repairing, upgrading and maintaining existing security systems. It is good that here's low competition and long-term relationship with your clients. But problems that you depend on systems already installed by others and your team needs advanced technical skills. But if you make maintenance service fast and reliable, this will make and keep your clients coming back. The last niche which I want to describe today is manufacturing security systems. It is designing and producing equipment like cameras, alarms, access control systems like fire protection. But this is the most challenging and risky niche for my opinion, because manufacturing requires a big, huge investments in product development and testing. There are already hundreds of manufacturers competing like in every product category. I believe that to succeed, your product must be really innovative and meet market needs. Marketing and promotion will also require a lot of investment. And we won't go into manufacturing in this video, but it is a topic we may cover in the future. Okay, so now we know niches in security industry, but How to find your niche? So like how to choose this niche? So look at your strengths. Are you good at selling and working with people or solving technical problems? Then study your local market. What services are most needed in your area? What do your competitors offer? And test your ideas. Start small and focus on one niche and expand later. This will help you find what works best for your business. And then you need to understand modern trends, because the security industry is changing fast, and here are some trends to watch. It's cloud technology. It's managing systems and storing data in cloud is becoming standard. Then Internet of Things, or IoT. So security systems are connecting to smart home devices, something smart. Artificial intelligence, so it's AI. It's smart notifications and behavior analytics improve system accuracy. And one more, it's digitalization. So companies that adopt online tools and digital strategies will stand out. So in conclusion, I want to say that choosing a niche is the first step to building a successful security business. Focus on your strengths, study on your market, and start small. Don't forget to subscribe our People Systems YouTube channel for more tips on business and modern technologies. You also will find this article about this topic on our website pipl.systems. So the link will be in description. Thank you for watching and goodbye.